The cryptocurrency space operates through multiple networks called blockchains. Each of these networks has its own native cryptocurrencies, but some of these assets are actually available in more than one blockchain network. DHV, the native token of DeHive, is one of these assets, since it exists in 4 different networks: Ethereum network, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Gnosis Chain. In order to transfer it between these networks, we can use a technology called bridging. In this guide, you will quickly discover how bridging technology works. We will use AnySwap technology to transfer DHV tokens from the Ethereum network to the Binance Smart Chain as an example. However, the same process can be used for transferring the token between any of its compatible networks. So, let's start. First, open AnySwap exchange, then navigate to the Bridge tab. As the bridging interface appears, press the Connect Wallet button. Then, your wallet will pop up, asking for confirmation. Now press Connect. Once it is connected, make sure your wallet is operating on the network you want to switch your funds from. You need to also choose Ethereum in the D app as the network you want to switch from, and Binance Smart Chain as the receiving network. To choose DHV tokens, click on the currency box, write DHV into the search bar, and press it. Input the amount you want to bridge. After that, confirm the approval through your wallet as it pops up. Now you need to wait until the approval has been confirmed, and then you can press the swap button. Your wallet will open up once more where you need to click confirm. After you have confirmed the transaction, simply wait until your DHV tokens have been transferred. You can check the transaction status in the given link. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your DHV tokens to the Binance Smart Chain. But you can use this process to switch between any of its compatible networks. Now that you know how bridging works, you can easily transfer your tokens and explore the benefits of the DeHive platform.